In problem number 2, we have this equation, and we're asked to solve for x. Alright, so we have the square root of x plus the square root of x plus the square root of x plus, and so on. So this means this dot 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 means it goes on forever. So it seems like, how in the world are you supposed to solve that? But let's just take a look at this. If this were any other problem, like, if this were a finite problem, what would you do? You'd probably square both sides, and then try to undo all the square rooting and come up with an answer. So let's just try that. Let's just see if we square both sides. So I'm just going to take this whole thing and square it. But in order for the equality to hold, I have to take the other side and square it as well. Okay, so I'm going to square both sides. And that squaring essentially gets rid of this outside square root symbol. So we end up with x plus the square root of x plus the square root of x plus, and so on. And that's equal to 25. Alright? And the key to this problem is recognizing that this thing here, this piece right here, is the same as this piece right here, okay? Because it goes on forever. So we could write square root of x plus dot dot dot, and it's exactly the same thing. And we know what that's equal to. That was equal to 5. So essentially we have x plus 5 is equal to 25. Well, now it doesn't look so bad, right? And so now we can just subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 20. And that's our answer, 20. So the key was just recognizing that, if we square both sides, we end up with this piece that's just the same thing as what we had before. And we knew what that was. That was 5. Alright, so there you go.